Hello, good evening everyone. Can everyone hear me? Hello, those who are online, can everyone hear me? Tell me. Samragni, Shinika,
Yes,
Ujjwal,
sir.
Subankit, are people able to hear me? Okay, let us start. Last day I had given some homework questions. Let us discuss. Many people have not sent me the homework. What happened? Rishabh? So, you had school exams. Huh? Abhigyan also. What happened? What? Okay, anyways, pay attention. Those who have not send it to me by tonight. Okay. Many people have not sent. Ronak is there. Ronak, Madhurjo. Madhurjo, what happened? You didn't
Sir,
check it?
have sent you the homework.
Sent it. When?
Sir, like 1 hour ago.
1 hour ago. How will I check 1 hour ago? I had another class. Send it to me by at least by
Y-
morning. Okay, so
yes,
that
yes, sir, yes, sir.
right. Okay. Can everyone see my screen? Okay. A new chapter will start today. But first of all, this one. First of all, anyone having any doubt in the proof? Tell me. Is there anyone having any doubt in the proof? Tell me. No one? Second one, the answer is 600. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. 600. Tell me. Is there anyone having any doubt in number 2? 600? No. Third one, the answer is 1 by 101. Tell me. You have a doubt in third one? Second one. Okay. Second one, let us start. Okay. So, Swapnil, are you able to see that in the numerator? Got it. Okay. Next. The third one is 1 by 101. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. 1 by 1 is 01. Anyone having any doubt in the third one? Tell me.
Yes, sir, I have a
Fourth,
doubt on third one.
third one as in this one. X power 70 into 1 minus x whole to the power 30.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start. Okay. So over here, what you do is, see in the numerator, you have 25 and in the denominator, you have 23. Okay, that means I need to find out a relationship between in and in minus 2. Okay, this should be the first thing that should come into your head. Okay, so let in is equal to integral from 0 to infinity e to the power minus x sine to the
Hello,
power
sir.
nx. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt on third one. That x to the power 70.
X power 70 is the third one. I have copied the wrong question. Oh, yes. So by looking at it, what comes to your head? Wallis theorem, right? Let us start. So what should we substitute? Similar kind of problem we did it in the class. What shall we
Sir,
substitute?
science sir.
Sin square x or sin square theta. X equal to sin square theta. Right, tell me. So what do we get? Dx is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Tell me, are you people getting? So let us see how will the limit change. As x tends to 0, theta tends to 0. As x tends to 1, theta tends to pi by 2. Okay, we are going to get sin to the power 140 into cos to the power 60 multiplied by 2 into sin into cos dot d theta. Tell me. This will give us integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 141 into cos to the power 61 d theta. Tell me. After this, Wallis, right? So is it clear, Shavankit? After this, I think you can do it, right?
Yes, sir, I
138.
did the list, but I could not simplify it into the, this term.
Okay. Then I simplify it 60 into 58 into dot 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 up to 2 and the denominator will start from, tell me, 141 plus 61 is 202, right? So 202 multiplied by 200, right? Tell me everywhere. Dot 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 up to 2, same thing. So in the numerator, can you see that over here everywhere I can take 2 common? How many times I am going to take 2 common? Tell me. 70 times. So 2 to the power 70 into 70 factorial multiplied by this is 2 to the power 30 into 30 factorial. Divided by, in the denominator, how many times I'm going to take common? 101. So 2 to the power 101 into 101 factorial. Tell me, did you people get this? Yes or no? Now, in the solution, over here it is given 100 and wait. Over here it is given 100 C30. Right, tell me. I need to convert it into 100 C30. Right. Huh? What divide? No, I can convert it like, see, this is over here. First of all of them will get cancelled, right? Tell me. By 2.
Sir, there is one 2 extra in the numerator.
Multiplied by 2, so 2 will get cancelled. Right, one extra 2 was there. Oh yes, 2. Forgetting this 2. Anyways, so 2, so all the 2's are getting cancelled. You people can understand. Okay. Now 101 factorial is there. I want to convert it into 100 C30. That's 100 factorial divided by 30 factorial into 70 factorial. Okay. So can I write 101 factorial as
100 into 101.
100 into 101? 101. 70 factorial multiplied by 30 factorial divided by 100 factorial into 101. Tell me, this will give us how much? 1 by 101 into 100 C30. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? After this, sum is done only. Is it clear? Tell me. So Ankit,
Yes, sir. Clear.
got this one? Oh, you didn't do it, right? I thought at least you did it. There are sometimes like. Okay, anyways. Next question. Anyone having any doubt in this one? Over here the answer is given as pi by 3 root 3, right? What did you people get? Pi square. I think this is pi by 3. I have to check. Pi by 3. Oh, squared it. Oh, it was question mark, not square. Pi by 3 root 3. Anyways, I am solving it. Pay attention, everyone. Achha, tell me, what shall we integrate so that you are getting 3 to the power n, 3n plus 1 in the denominator? Tell me. Correct? Done. And from where to where should I integrate so that I get 1 in the numerator? Tell me. The sum is done only. What else you want? Everything is given right there in front of you. This is number 5, right? So can I write it as summation of n equal to 0? 4. Who asked? N equal to 0 to infinity. Integral from 0 to 1 x to the power 3n minus integral from 0 to 1 x to the power 3n plus 1. Right, tell me. Are you people getting?
Yes.
Next, integral and limits can interchange, right? So we can write it as integral from 0 to 1 summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. Okay, x to the power 3n minus x to the power 3n plus 1. Right. Between 0 to n, 1, x is a fraction. So it's an infinite GP. Can you people understand? Between 0 to 1, x to the power 3n is a fraction. X is a fraction, right? So we can use the formula of infinite GP. So what will be the first term? Tell me. Over here, what is the first term? 1 by 1 minus x to the power 3n. 1 by 1 minus x cube. And over here? No. For n equal to 0, it will become x by 1 minus x cube, right? Rest I think you can solve it. Tan inverse will come. Right, should I complete after this? Or you can do it? This will be integral from 0 to 1, 1 minus x cube as the LCM. Numerator is 1 minus x. 1 minus x by 1 minus x cube will become integral from 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x square. This you have done it a lot of times. Okay, tan inverse will come. Right, those who are online, anyone having any doubt, tell me. Next problem, number 5. Another problem on estimation. Option A, B and D. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Option A, B and D. No? Let us continue. This one, number 6, came in advanced 2022. C and D, anyone having any doubt? Only one substitution. The whole problem will be done. Tell me, anyone having any doubt in C and option, number 6? Five, should I solve or by mistake I might be telling you something else, some other question. I have to check. Number 6 is C and D. Is it clear? Number 7. 7 is answer is 4. Tell me. 4, right? You people got 4 or not? What did you people get? Let me see. 7 is 4. Should I solve? Okay. So see, what are the things given to us? Tell me. Over here, f of pi is given as -6. That is fine. That we'll use it later. That is a boundary value condition. But capital F of x is given as integral from 0 to 1, 0 to x f of t dt. That means f dash x is equal to, that you can understand, right? F dash x is equal to f of x. So how to open this? Tell me. Can I write it as integral from 0 to pi f dash x into cos x plus integral from 0 to pi capital F of x into cos x. Okay? So you can understand that we have to use UV rule. Over here, while using UV rule, which one to integrate, which one to differentiate? What do you think? F prime to integrate, cos x to differentiate. Right? So what are we getting? Cos x into f of x. We need to substitute from 0 to pi. Right? Minus integral of d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sign. Right? Into integral of f dash x will be equal to f of x. Tell me, minus sign into f of x. Are you getting rhythm? Then plus integral from 0 to pi. Now over here, which one to differentiate, which one to integrate? Capital F of x to differentiate, because f dash x is equal to f of x is given to us. Okay. So it will become integral from 0 to pi. I'm writing it directly, okay. It will be f of x into sin x from 0 to pi, right? Minus integral from 0 to pi d by dx of capital F of x will be equal to f of x only. F of x into integral from cos x will become sin x. Tell me, are you getting rhythm? Rhythm, second and third term will get cancelled. Second and fourth term will get cancelled. This is given as how much? 2. Tell me, are you people getting? Next, when you substitute pi, what are you getting? Cos pi is -1. So -1 into f of pi is given -6. And when you substitute 0, cos 0, that is 1. So -1 into f of 0. F of 0 we need to find out. Right, tell me. Next, plus f of pi into sin x. 0, 0, gone. This is equal to 2. Oh, it was a 2-line problem, see. So from here, f of 0 is equal to 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. See? 2, 3 lines you will get your answer.
I did it.
UV rule. Yeah. After this, like, you should understand it. UV rule is the only way to proceed.
Understand, I will form like x plus x.
At first, I was also doing in the same way, like finding fx plus f dash x somewhere. But I saw that they both are different functions. This is where I changed my method. I saw that they both are different functions. If they were same functions, then I would have also tried by f of x plus f dash x into x. Okay. So I have to see the form.
Same function
means when you are taking f prime and f, they both are same. They both are f and f prime should, the form should be f and f prime. But over here we don't get f and. What are we getting?
So, but capital F prime is equal to small f prime.
But they both are prime, na? Acha, yes, you are correct. Capital F of x If you are taking f dash x, then it is equal to f of x. But over here we are not taking different. We are not differentiating. Understood? So, anyways, I am not getting the form. Okay, came in advanced 2020. See, whatever problems I gave in advance, okay, these are easy only this time. Miscellaneous questions?
It seemed like miscellaneous questions.
Ah, yes. Actually, I gave this problem because I didn't discuss those kind of estimation where you have to expand using sin x and cos x. So that's why I gave this question. Okay. So if people understand that estimation can also be done using Taylor series. Okay. This one Wallis 2026. Again, in 2 lines you will get your answer. Answer is 15.5. Huh? With Wallis in 2 lines you will get the answer. I'm telling you. In 2 lines you will get your answer. This one number 9. Number 9, the answer is option D. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Same thing, Wallis. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. You people must have got it. Those are online, tell me. Anyone having any doubt? And the last one 7. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? No? So we can
Can you
continue.
solve this one?
Last one. Okay, let us start. So what are we getting? In is equal to? Okay. Now see, by looking at the expression, we need to find out the, we need to find out a relation between in and in minus 1.
It's like n minus 1 by n.
Huh?
It's like n minus 1 by n.
N minus 1 by n.
So because 140 minus 1 equals to 147.
I understand. So you might get that kind of relation, but there will be another coefficient. They are asking us to find out that coefficient. Anyways, so by looking at the expression, over here, we need to find out the relationship between in and in minus 1. You can understand. So the best way, now, so that is the hint you have to take, and you have to write 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n is 1 minus x to the power k into 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 1 dot dx. Tell me, are you people getting? Next. After this will become integral from 0 to 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 1 minus integral from 0 to 1 x to the power k into 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Understood? Okay, so let 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 1 as, oh wait a minute, over here I think I have to use UV rule. Okay, I can use UV rule, I guess. Differentiating this one, integrating this one, I think so. Let's see. So this one, first one will become in minus 1, right? 10 minus integral from 0 to 1 x to the power k. Okay, let us use UV rule. Okay, so over here I am going to integrate 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, let's see. Huh? Differentiate. So differentiate. Okay, let us integrate x to the power k. Okay, so 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 1 into integral from 0 to 1 x to the power k minus integral of d by dx of 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 1 will give us n minus 1 into, wait a minute, n minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n minus 2, okay, divided by No, not divided by. Then we have to differentiate x to power k minus x to power k. So that will become k into x to power k minus 1. So multiplied by k into what?
Wait, integrating x to the power
That also I'll do it. Integrating
yes, sir.
multiplied by k into x to power k minus 1. Okay. And then integrating x to power k will become x to power k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Right. But I don't think so we are getting any pattern on k plus 1. Now we are getting x to the power 2k over here. It will make things complicated. Okay, let us take some substitution. Okay, let's see whether any substitution will work or not. Okay. Let us take any let us see whether any substitution will work or not. So let y is equal to 1 minus x to the power k. Okay. Then what is dy by dx? Dy is equal to minus k x to the power k minus 1 into dx. Right, tell me. So what will it give us? First one is in minus 1 minus integral of what is x to the power k? X to the power k is 1 minus y. 1 minus y and 1 minus x to the power k is y. So y to the power n minus 1. Okay. And dy, what is dy? Dy is equal dx is equal to into dy and minus minus it will become plus into dy upon k into x to the power k minus 1. Right, tell me. Are you getting? But we have to find out x to the power k minus 1 from here. Okay. It's again difficult. It's coming difficult from here. Over here x to the power k is how much? 1 minus y. So 1 minus y and x to the power k minus 1 will become yx. 1 minus y whole to the power k minus 1 by k. Wait, let me see. So if I change it, what will I get? Let's see. Are you people getting x to the power k minus 1 will become 1 minus y whole to the power k minus 1 by k. Okay. Huh? What?
Dividing both sides by x.
Which one?
The third states here k equals to 1 minus y. If you divide both sides by x, then you get x square k minus 1 by 1 minus y by x.
First of all, I'll divide by k. When I'm raising the power by 1 by k on both sides, so it will become 1 by k. Then I'm raising the power by k minus 1 on both sides, so it will become k minus 1 by k. Okay, but again, this will not be fruitful, I guess. This will become how much? In minus 1 plus integral from 0 to 1 1 minus y into y to the power n minus 1 multiplied by dy by k into 1 minus y whole to the power k minus 1 by k. Right. So when you simplify, what do we get? See, from here 1 by k will be outside. In minus 1 plus 1 by k is outside. Integral from 0 to 1 1 minus y whole to the power 1 minus k minus 1 by k multiplied by y to the power n minus 1. Right. Okay, this will become in minus 1 plus 1 by k integral from 0 to 1 1 minus y whole to the power k minus k 1 by k, right, into y to the power n minus 1. Let's see, are we getting any form? No, we are not getting any far. K y to the power 1 minus 1 into.
So can we use binomial on the first one?
So I'm not going to use binomial. Okay. So substitution also is not working currently. Wait, thinking about substitution only. I think with substitution we'll get the answer. I have to just think a little bit. Let's see. Huh? Wait. I'm thinking. N minus x to the power k minus k whole to the power n minus 1 will become in. X to the power k from 0 to 1. Okay. So over here, if I take y is equal to 1, y is equal to x to the power k, this implies dy is equal to k into x to the power k minus 1. This x is coming anyways. I think
One thing that is, you can use its inverse, then k will be in the power and n will be 1 minus x to the power n.
is it possible to use volleys over here? Let's see.
It is possible to use values if you use the inverse.
X bar k is equal to sine square theta. Okay. Then what is dx? K into x bar k minus 1 is equal to. But again, volleys will be very difficult.
Yes. But like,
What, tell me?
the inverse, like dt minus ac form, because it will get 0 and we will get x k.
Means
in the
inverse
power.
of x bar k into 1 minus k to the power k.
No, inverse of that term, 1 minus x to the power k to the power n. Plus this term.
Wait, give me some time, I'm solving, okay? I'll come back to this problem once again. Okay, give me some time, I'm solving. Okay, Ujan, give me some time, I'm solving this problem. Okay, till then let us start with area under curve. Wait. Area under curve. Okay. So let us start. Area under curve. Okay, let us start. Area under curve. Okay. So area under curve is totally based upon curve sketching. Okay, curve sketching. Let us start. So basically, wherever we want to find out the area, okay, if this is the curve, okay, I want to find out the area between A and B. Okay, that means this area. I want to find out the area between A and B. Okay. So if you take the vertical strip, okay, if you take the vertical strip, Okay, if you take the vertical strip, this vertical strip is actually difference of x, dx. Okay, this is y equal to f of x. Vertical strip is dx. So area under curve. Okay, I've already discussed this in the last chapter. Area bounded by y is equal to f of x equal to a, x equal to b, and y is equal to 0. That is x-axis. Is given by integral from a to b f of x dx. Okay, everyone. Integral from f of b a to b f of x dx. Okay, which is also equal to integral from a to b dA. Okay, that is the area differential. Okay, you can write it as differential element of area. Differential element of area. Okay, so basically dA equal to y into dx. dA is equal to y into dx. Okay, everyone, remember this. Okay, next. If you are finding out this area, okay, let us say a curve is given between a to b. A curve is given from a to b. Curve is given from a to b. Let us say that this root is alpha, this root is beta, this root is gamma. Okay. Wait, let us mark it from here. This root is gamma, and let us say that this root is delta. So if you want to find out the area of this curve, total area if you want to find out. Okay. So you can understand after beta it becomes negative, right? So integral from a to b, in this case, area is not equal to integral from a to b f of x dx. In this case, area is not equal to integral from a to b f of x dx. Okay, as you can understand, area is a positive quantity. Okay, and when we are talking about the area below x-axis, okay, the differential element, I mean dx is on the negative side. Can you people understand? So as I told you that area becomes negative below x-axis. Okay, so area is a positive quantity, and integral from a to b f of x dx, this will be equal to, I mean, gives us the net area. Okay,
Sir, what do you mean
net area means positive, negative, I mean total area. Okay, means what I am trying to say is, let us say that this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, and this is A5. Okay, then integral, I am talking about net area. Okay, then integral from a to b f of x dx, this will be equal to A1 minus A2 plus A3 minus A4 plus A5. Are you getting, Abhigyan? Tell me. So to find the area So to find the area here, okay, let the roots be alpha, beta, gamma and delta. You will be able to find out the roots of a particular equation. Then area will be equal to integral from a to b, integral from a to alpha f of x minus integral from alpha to beta f of x plus integral from beta to gamma f of x plus minus integral from gamma to delta f of x plus integral from delta to b f of x. This will give us the total area. Is it clear, everyone, how to find out the total area? Tell me. Next. So let us do some problems. You people try this out. Question number 1. Find the area enclosed. Find the area enclosed by y equal to sin x, x-axis, x equal to 0 and x equal to 3 pi by 2. Solve. Question number 2. What? What? How? Find out the area enclosed. Total area you have to find out. Total area of the curve. Shall I start? Tell me.
The total means not the net.
Not the net. 3, right?
But what the net means negative, you have to count.
Yes, negative total area. Over here I am not talking about the net area. Scalar area. Scalar area. Okay. Scalar area. Let me see. Some people have sent. Yes. Ujan right answer, Shahardo right answer. You have to find out the area enclosed in this interval. Okay, scalar area. Adrija right answer. Integral what? We have to find out the exact area. Yes. Done. Everyone has done it? Yes, I don't think so. So let's start. Integral from 0 to, so we know that area will be equal to, what are the roots? Roots are pi. Between 0 to pi, 3 pi by 2, the root is pi. So you have to integrate from 0 to pi by 2, pi, sin x, okay, then minus integral from pi to 3 pi by 2, sin x. Is it clear? You have to subtract.
So understanding the first integral will be for positive value or negative value. If you draw the graph, right? If you don't know the graph.
Okay. You must know that in this interval, sine is above the x-axis or below the x-axis. You must know.
Or else you have to draw it.
Oh, drawing. So sine is from 0 to pi. What is the area? This is 2. And this is actually minus 1. So minus of minus 1. This will give us 3. Tell me, are people getting? Next. Okay. So not only with respect to the horizontal strip you can find out the area, but you can find out the area with respect to the vertical strip as well.
Oh,
dy, x dy. Okay, so like see, if you are given, if you are asked to find out the area with respect to y-axis. With respect to y-axis, if you want to find out the area from y equal to a to y equal to b. Okay. If you want to find out the area from y equal to a to y equal to b. This line is y equal to a. This line is y equal to b. You have to find out this area. Okay, you have to find out this area. So over here we'll take the horizontal strip with respect to y-axis.
So then use congruency and then find the area on x-axis.
Yes, you can find out the inverse.
Oh.
Right, that we have done it BD minus AC. The last day, Shashwata, we did one problem. Do you remember that we have to find out the maximum and minimum value?
Yes, sir.
Where we were getting the answer as 2.6 to 3.9.
Sir, arithmetic input.
Over there also the answer will come as option D only. Okay.
How did I
Check.
get three?
How will you get it? Check.
So can do you arithmetic input?
So over here pay attention. This is the horizontal strip. Okay. This is the horizontal strip. So sometimes it is easier to find out the area by taking a horizontal strip. Sometimes it is easier to find out the area by taking the vertical strip. So it depends. You have to understand. Horizontal strip. Okay. Over here, dA is equal to x dy. Okay, everyone. Next. So where we are going to use this? Suppose y is equal to f of x. And this implies x equal to f inverse y. Right, tell me. X equal to f inverse y. So area bounded by. So area bounded by y equal to a, y equal to b, y axis, and y is equal to f of x will be. Y equal to f of x will be. Integral from a to b. dA is equal to integral from a to b f inverse y dy, which can also be written as integral from a to b x dy. Is it clear, everyone? F inverse y is equal to x only. So this is what finding the area by horizontal strip means. Okay. Next. So let us try one problem. Try it out. Achha, wait. This one I am taking an example. Okay, I am giving you an example. Next one you will try. For example, find the area between x equal to 2y minus y square and x-axis and y-axis. So x equal to 2y minus y square is a concave leftwards parabola. Okay, what are the roots on y-axis? Where are they going to intersect on y-axis? 0 and 2, right? This is how the graph is going to look like. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me. So this is the area we need to find out. Hello, those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, Shwankit, Shubhangi, Samragni, are you people able to understand? Adrito?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shahardo, Shinika, Trina, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Poojan, are you
sir.
getting? 02. So over here, let us find out the area. So over here, area will be equal to integral from 0 to 2 x dy. Right, tell me. Are people getting? Integral from 0 to 2 x dy. Now what is x? X equal to 2y minus y square, right? So it will become integral from 0 to 2, 2y minus y square into dy. Tell me, are people getting? So this will give us how much? Y square minus y cube by 3. We need to integrate from 0 to 2. So substitute 2 first. 2 square 4 minus 8 by 3 minus 0. 4 minus 8 by 3 will give us how much? 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the correct answer. Tell me, are people getting? This is one of the methods to solve. Okay, integral taking the horizontal strip. Okay. Next, another method, but this is lengthy. Okay, but this is lengthy. What you can do is, you can still take the vertical strip only. Okay, you can take the vertical strip only. I need to find out this area. Okay, I need to find out this area. Tell me, are people getting? I need to find out this area. Okay, so if I want to take the vertical strip, x equal to 2y minus y square, right? So what you do is you make perfect squares. How to make a perfect square? On the right hand side, I'll add 1. No, subtract 1. Subtract 1. So x minus 1 will be equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2y minus y square. Right, tell me. So I am getting x minus y is equal to minus of y minus 1 whole square. Right, tell me. Are people getting? Minus of x minus 1 whole square. So from here y is equal to what? Tell me. There will be two branches. Y will be equal to plus minus, wait. Y minus 1 will be equal to plus minus root over 1 minus x. Right, tell me. And then y will be equal to 1 plus minus root over 1 minus x. Okay, now you can take the vertical strip. Okay, and what is the highest point? Tell me. Can someone tell me what is the value of this point? Tell me. At what value of x you are getting the highest point of this parabola? I mean the vertex of the parabola. 1. I just made a perfect square at x equal to 1. So can you people understand that you have to break it? First of all, integral from 0 to 1. So therefore area will be equal to this branch. Pay attention everyone. The equation of this branch is the positive one. You people can understand? This branch is y equal to 1 plus root over 1 minus x. Are people getting? And this branch will be the negative one. This branch is y equal to minus 1 plus root minus 1 minus 1 minus root over 1 minus x. Tell me, those are online, are people getting? So there are two branches of this parabola. Okay. So what you can do is you can find out the area. You can find out the area. You can find out this total area. From this total area, I can subtract this area. Right? Are people able to understand? Then also we'll get the orange area. I mean red area. Tell me, those who are online, are people getting? It will be integral from 0 to 1, 1 plus root over 1 minus x, and minus integral from 0 to 1, 1 minus root over 1 minus x. Tell me, can anyone having it? I mean, is there anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Okay. So finally, what are we getting? We can subtract, right? So it will become integral from 0 to 1, 2 into root over 1 minus x. Tell me. Are you people getting? After that, you have to integrate root over 1 minus x. Okay, it will become 2 into 1 minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 1. We have to substitute from 0 to 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Oh, wait a minute. But when you substitute 1, it will become 0. Oh, so for 0 you will get the answer. Right, tell me. When you substitute 0, you will get 4 by 3. Is it clear, those who are online? Tell me. Next. Area between two curves. Area enclosed. So from here only, from the second method only, you people must understand what is the area enclosed between two curves. Basically, this red area, this purple area is the area enclosed between the curve y equal to 1 plus root over 1 minus x and y equal to 1 minus root over 1 minus x. Right. So area enclosed by two curves will be what? Tell me. Pay attention. So suppose this is a particular, this is y equal to f of x, and let us say that this is k equal to g of x. Okay, and this is the area we need to find out. If I want to find out this area, I'll find out the total area, means I'll find out this total area, and then I'll find out this area, and then I'll subtract. Are you people able to understand? Tell me. Those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me, Adrito, Adrija.
Yes, sir.
Adrian, is it clear? Shinika, are you people getting? Shubhankit, Shubhangi,
Yes,
are you
sir.
people getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So total area minus area covered by g of x. So what can we write? Area will be equal to integral from 0 to, Achha, let us say that this is alpha and this is beta. Okay, we have to find out their intersection points. Integral from alpha to beta, upper curve minus lower curve, that is f of x minus g of x. Tell me, are you people getting? Even if both the functions are below x-axis, same thing will follow. I'm telling you. Okay. F of x minus g of x. So everyone note it down. Even if area is below x-axis, then also we'll get the same expression. Then also f minus g represents the same region. The same region. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. It will represent the same region. So I'll give you an example, okay? How to do it. For example, find the area between y equal to sin inverse x and y equal to cos inverse x and x-axis. Okay. So let us draw their graphs. See, curve sketching is very important for this chapter. Draw the graph of sin inverse x and cos inverse x. Graph of cos inverse x. You people remember decreasing function? Okay. It will look somewhat like this. Tell me. This is the graph of cos inverse x. and sine inverse x. Sine inverse x will be like this. Tell me. Oh wait. Not like this. There is tan inverse x. Sine inverse x I'm fine. Sine inverse x will be somewhat like this. Right, tell me. You people got it? Okay. Achha, what is the intersection point? Tell me. At what value of x they will intersect? Tell me. One upon root 2. Right, tell me everyone. 1 upon root 2. So area will be equal to. Integral from 0 to 1 by root 2. From 0 to 1 by root 2. Achha, actually we need to find out this area. From 0 to 1 by root 2, what is the branch? Tell me. Anyone over here? From 0 to 1 by root 2, what is the branch? Sine inverse x. And from 1 by root 2 to 1? Cos inverse x. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me, Shahardev, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then after that, we have to use by parts. So you can understand how lengthy it will be. But I have got a different method for you people. Method 2. Okay. With respect to x-axis, this graph is the graph of sine inverse x. With respect to y-axis, this graph is the graph of sine x, x equal to sine y. So we can take the horizontal strip. Are you people getting? So see now how things will be easier for you. So if y is equal to sine inverse x, what is the value of x? X equal to sine y? Tell me. And if y is equal to cos inverse x, then x equal to cos y. Right, tell me everyone. If you take the mirror images, yes or no? Okay. And at what value they are intersecting? Tell me. 5 and 4. So, can I say that the area between sine inverse x, cos inverse x and x-axis is same as area between sin x, cos x and y-axis? Tell me, can I say this? Yes or no? Y and x, they are dummy variables, right? Tell me, Swapnil, are you getting? Clear, Som, Rishabh? Those are online, are you people getting? Second method is very much important because it makes your task easier. You don't have to apply by parts. Tell me, Shavankit, Shrita, Madhurjo, Adrito, are you people
Yes, sir.
getting? Adrija, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Shinika, Trina, Pujan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's draw the graph of cos x. Cos x will look somewhat like this. You people remember? And where are they intersecting? Tell me, in this case, where do they intersect? Means now we need to find out this area. Tell me, are you people getting? Now we need to find out this area. So tell me. So can I use upper curve minus lower curve? Which one is the upper curve? Cos x. So can I say that the area is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 4? Pi by 4, right? Cos x minus sin x. Done. What is the integral of cos x? Sin x. What is the integral of minus sin x? Plus cos x. So plus cos x, we need to substitute from 0 to pi by 4. At pi by 4, what is the value? 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is 2 by root 2. Root 2. At 0, 1. Root 2 minus 1 is the correct answer. Tell me, have you people understood? What?
Cos y minus sin y into dy.
What?
As we could have said that this is also the area between sin y, cos y and the x.
Sin x, cos x, and
Sin y, cos y and x.
yes, I know. Is it clear? Actually, to be precise, okay, it should be cos y only because we are taking the horizontal strip. But you know that x and y are dummy variables for integration, so it does not matter whether you take x or y or anything. So have you people understood this portion? Those who are online, is it clear? Tell me. Next. Yes, what? So just like area between two curves by vertical strip. Vertical strip means under x-axis, okay? Is equal to top function, means the function which is at the top, minus bottom function. Okay. Similarly, area by horizontal strip will be, area between two curves by horizontal strip will be equal to right minus left. Can people understand? Right function, rightmost function minus leftmost function. Yes, tell me. It's very tough. What to do? Can't calculate.
I think I need 1 day to solve.
1 day. It's for your practice. See, this is the kind of question paper you might get.
So you will send me to home.
Yes, I see. You shouldn't have said this. These people are okay. Of course, the paper will be tough. You see, 2022 paper, 2021 paper. Okay. Right. So, how about those papers? Tell me. No, IQ. Huh? Advance?
He thought it was boards.
Board?
He's writing board paper. He thought. Yes, sir.
Boards material I have sent.
There's so many sample questions, sir. 490 pages.
Keep solving. You need some other chapters, another subjects also. I have it.
Sir, then I am now going.
You are not going home.
I am going.
Oh. You go. Okay. History and geography, wait. Okay. So now I am taking the. Okay, I'll send you the paper. Okay.
Sir, can I
Take this, but answer key, give it to me. Yes. Oh, you didn't mark and you didn't attempt much. Huh? Integer type. What are integer type? No, in IQ.
Sir, this quarter.
This is for. You know the number, right? Okay, just give 2 minutes, okay? I'll give one problem. Okay, so everyone, over here again. So if this is y equal to f of x, this is y equal to f of x, and this is y equal to g of x. Okay, you are taking rightmost, or better to write it as x equal to f of y and x equal to g of y. Then over here, what will you get? Integral from a to b. Let us say that this is y equal to a and this is y equal to b. Integral from a to b, area will be equal to g of y minus, no, upper one is f of y minus g of y. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Okay, tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Everyone understood? Tell me, Soam, Swapnil, Ankit, is it clear? Shashwato?
Yes.
Those are online, is it clear? Madhurjo, Samragni, Adrita? No, what is Adrito? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By mistake, sorry. Okay.
It's okay,
Wrong
sir.
name. Okay. Achha, anyways, so you people understood? Achha, in the second one also, like method 2, there is another method. Okay. You could have done it by taking the horizontal strip only. Okay. Like, draw the same graph, but you could have taken the horizontal strip. With respect to the horizontal strip, what will happen?
So then you have to integrate from 0 to pi by 4. Cos inverse x plus
X equal to cos y and x equal to sin y, right? Tell me. So it will be integral from 0 to pi by 4. Upper curve is cos y minus lower curve is sin y. Okay, same thing. We'll get root 2 minus 1. So let us do
this is
some.
cos inverse x and sin inverse x.
I am doing the same problem. I mean, rightmost curve minus leftmost curve. So let us do some problems. You people also try some problems. Question number 2, I guess. Find the area bounded by. Find the area bounded by y equal to tan inverse x, y equal to cot inverse x, and y axis. Okay. Question number 3. Find area of region bounded by what? Bounded by these two curves. So interval you have to find it. Curve sketching is important. Bounded by parabola y square equal to 4x and normal drawn to it with gradient minus 1. Quickly solve. Solve. Okay. Option. Yes, let me see who has done it. Yes, Adrija, your answer is correct. Okay, Shahardo, both the answers are correct. Let me see. Yes, Adito, your answer is correct. Some other answer. Some other answer is given. Correct. Yes, Aditya, second one is correct. Integration of 10 by ln not sec y. Correct. Correct. Yes, it is correct. You can take 2 inside. Yes. Oh, Ujan, check your answer again. After this, huh? Slow. So after this, I'll try that homework question once again. Okay. Let's see. This time I've got a different method to proceed. Let's see. Should I start? Tell me. Oh, Shweta has sent it. Let me see. Yes, Shweta, your answer is correct. Okay, let me start, everyone. Okay. Area bounded by tan inverse x, cot inverse x, and y axis. So it is same as finding the area between tan x, cot x, and x axis. Okay. It is same as finding the area between tan x, cot x, and x axis. Are people getting? I'll take the horizontal strip, vertical strip. So tan x will be somewhat like this, and cot x will be somewhat like this. At what point they are intersecting? Pi by 4, right? So at pi by 4 they are intersecting. So what you can do is you can take the upper curve minus lower curve. Okay. So area will be equal to rightmost curve minus leftmost curve. Okay. I am taking rightmost curve minus leftmost curve. So integral from integral from 0 to they are intersecting at pi by 4. Right, they are intersecting at pi by 4. Up to pi by 4 is tan x plus integral from pi by 4 to pi by 2, not pi by 2, huh? This will be tan x, cot x. So this will become ln mod of sec x from 0 to pi by 4 plus ln mod of sin x. This is from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Right, tell me, are you people getting? So this will become how much? Sec pi by 4 will be root 2. So ln of root 2 minus ln 1, that is 0, plus ln 1 is 0 minus ln 1 by root 2. Right. So this will become how much? 2 ln root 2.
Yes, sir.
Which will be equal to ln 2. ln 2 is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Very easy. Number 3, should I start? Tell me. Okay, I think Ujan has sent. Let's see. So Ujan, have you understood the previous one? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second one, Ujan, check it again. I've got a different answer.
The region bounded means region bounded by x-axis or y-axis?
Region bounded. So see, when you draw a normal to the curve, it will intersect the parabola into 2 points. So there will be a region bound. There will be a region, right?
Sure.
Should I start? Tell me. Or if you people have forgotten parabola, I start. Tell me. This is number 3, right? So how will the graph? First of all, let us find out. Slope is -1, right? Slope they have given -1. And parabola is y square. Y square equal to 4x. Slope they have told is -1. So we have to find out the point. How to find out the point? 2y y dash is equal to how much? 4. Actually, slope of normal is equal to -1.
1.
Can
Tangent.
slope of tangent is equal to 1, right? Tell me. So from here y dash is equal to 1. So what is the value of y? Tell me. Y is equal to 2, right? If y is equal to 2, what is the value of x?
1.
This implies x equal to 1. So that means we have to draw the normal at 1, 2. The graph will look somewhat like this. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is the parabola. This is the graph. This point is 1, 2. And this is the region we need to find out. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, so of course we have to find out both the intersection points. Okay, and I'm going to take the, tell me which strip to take. It would be easier to solve. Horizontal strip. I'm going to take the horizontal strip. So x equal to y square by 4. We have to draw the straight line also, right? Write down the equation of the straight line. So equation of the straight line is y minus 1 is equal to,
The y minus 2.
oh sorry, y minus 2 is equal to -1 into x minus 1. This will give us how much? X plus y is equal to 3. Right, tell me everyone. So I've got the equation of the straight line. Okay, I have to find out the intersection point, that is this one. Right, tell me. One of the intersection point we already have, 1, 2. So in order to find out the intersection point, we'll substitute. Okay, put x equal to 3 minus y. What do we get? This implies y square is equal to 3 minus y. Tell me. This implies y square plus y minus 3.
So y square is 4 into 3 minus
Wait, 4. Sorry. 4 into 3 minus y. 4x, so 4 into 3 minus y. This will give us y square plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Is it factorizable? Tell me.
6 and 2.
Minus 6 and 2, I guess. Right, tell me. Did you people get minus 6 and 2? So I hope you will have got the limits also. The coordinates of this point is x equal to minus 6. Sorry, wait a minute. Y equal to minus 6. Right. Y equal to minus 6. What is the value of x?
9 comma minus 6. 9 comma minus 6.
Oh, 9 comma minus 6. Correct. Okay. So therefore area is equal to rightmost curve minus leftmost curve. And I am going to take x equal to dy. Right. Integral of a dy. I am using the horizontal strip. Okay. We have to integrate from, what is the limits for y? Minus 6 to 2. Tell me. Right. Minus 6 to 2. So this will give us how much? Integral from minus 6 to 2. Upper curve is 3 minus y. And lower curve is x equal to y square by 4. This will give us the area. Tell me. Are you people getting? Those who are online, tell me. Tell me, Ronak, Samragni, Shrita, Shubhankit, Shardo, is it clear? Tell me. Shardo, you have done it. Shinika, is it clear? And Trina?
Yes, sir.
Trina, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
From minus 6 to 2? Minus y square by 2. We need to integrate from minus 6 to 2. And over here we have minus y square by 4. So this will become minus y cube by 3 into 4. That is 12. Minus 6 to 2. Let us substitute. So this will give us how much? 3 into 2, 6. So I am getting 3 into 2 minus of minus 6. Tell me, Ritam, are you getting? Minus y square by 2, that means that will give us 2 square by 2. 2 square by 2 is 2. Minus 18. Minus y cube by 12. So that is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 by 12. Minus of minus 6 whole cube by 12. Just check everyone, I have substituted it correctly, right? Tell me. So this will give us how much? 3 into 8, 24. 2 minus 8 is minus 16, so plus 16. Minus 8 by 12. 8 by 12 plus 8 by 12 is 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. And over here 6 cube 216 by 12. How much? 18. So this become minus 18, I guess. Check. Tell me. Minus 6 whole cube, na? Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. 24 minus 2 is how much? 22. So I am getting 22 minus 2 by 3. So I am getting 64 by 3. Yes, 64 by 3 is the correct answer. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? Shashwata, is it clear? Ritam? So I'll try that problem once again, okay? Let's see. Because this time, okay, something has clicked in my head. So let's see. Up to this much, I think it is clear. It will be in minus 1. Okay. Hello, Ujan, are you there? Up to this much, I think it is clear. In minus 1.
Sir, I think I figured out some way.
Wait. Let me also solve it. Okay. When you take this substitution, its differential is becoming as x to the power k minus 1, right? So can I break this x to the power k as x into x to the power k minus 1?
Yes, sir, that's the way I was thinking
Yes.
of. It's working like that.
Yes, let me solve. Dot dx, right? And
Now by parts.
by parts, x we have to differentiate.
Differentiate.
Okay. So this will become in minus 1 minus integral from 0 to 1. We have to differentiate x and integrate that one. So minus x into integral from 0 to 1 x power k minus 1 into 1 minus x power k whole to the power n minus 1, right? Minus integral of dx by dx gone into integral of x to the power k minus 1 into 1 minus x power k whole to the power n minus 1 dot dx. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now we have to take substitution. Let y is equal to 1 minus x power k.
That is plus in the middle.
This one, yes, minus minus it will become plus. Yes, Rishabh. This one. Actually, x power k it was, so I broke it as x into x power k minus. Okay. Next. Y equal to 1 minus x power k. So what is derivative? dy is equal to minus k into x power k minus 1. Yes, so I'm getting the derivative outside. Right. Tell me, are you people getting? Into dx. This is what dy is. Okay. So what is dx? Dx will be equal to minus dy. Wait a minute. Wait. dy by minus k. dy by minus k is equal to x power k minus 1 into dx. Okay, so we can substitute in both the cases. Okay. Let us see what are we getting finally. Okay, at that time it was not clicking. Right. I was thinking of substitution only, but I didn't break. That was the key step, that you have to break x into x power k minus 1. Okay. So let us substitute. This will become in minus 1 minus x into integral from 0 to 1 dy by minus k into 1 minus x power k will become y to the power n minus 1, right? Plus integral of same thing, integral of integral x power k minus 1 into dx, so same thing will become, right? We'll get dy by minus k into y to the power n minus 1, right? So this will become in minus 1 minus x into y to the power n minus 1 this will become y to the power n divided by n. Okay, that is 1 minus x to the power k whole to the power n divided by minus nk. So minus minus it will become plus, right? Nk plus integral of y to, same thing, y to the power n minus 1. So y to the power n divided by minus nk. Okay, this is from 0 to 1. Y to the power n will become 1 minus x to the power k divided by minus nk. Tell me, are you people getting?
Whole to the power n.
Minus in.
Huh?
Minus in divided by n.
Sir, whole to the power n will be there.
Whole to the power n, yes. How? What? Tell me. You were saying something.
This is in divided by minus n.
Wait. I have to check. This is from 0 to 1, right? When you substitute 1, it is gone. When you substitute 0, it is gone. So this first term is gone, right? Second term is in only. In by minus nk, I guess. In by minus nk, right? Taking it to the left hand side, okay. It will become positive. So in plus 1 by nk into in. This will be equal to in minus 1. Right, tell me. Are people getting? Okay. So in common, nk plus 1. So did you people get this only? Anyone has solved it? No one? Yeah, Shardhu, you were saying something.
Sir, I had solved it in a simpler way.
Wait. From here I need I21 and I20. So let us substitute 21. Let's substitute 21. Okay, when you substitute 21, what do we get? I21 is equal to 21k plus 1 divided by 21k. This will be equal to I20. Right? Tell me. Are you getting? And I21 by I20 will be equal to?
I21 into that thing is equal to I20.
Oh, yes. is equal to 21k by 21k plus 1, right? And this is given as how much? I21 by I20 is 147 by 148. 147 by 148. So from here, I am getting k is equal to 7. Yes, k equal to 7 is the correct answer. Okay. Pattern? What pattern? Tell me.
Using that from we can take it ingredient as it.
Actually, but there is a coefficient given now. I mean, there should be a coefficient. It may not be n minus 1 into in or something. It should be a coefficient given. Okay, so Ujan, have you understood this one? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, JEE Main's problem is this stuff.
You see, when I got stuck over there, okay, I would have left it. I would have moved on to the other one. Okay, the wisest way to in the exam is to leave it at that place, move on to the other one. If you have got stuck at that point, afterwards, if something clicks in your head, you have got time. Generally, you don't get time. Okay, but after that, if you have got time, you come back to the same question. Okay, but don't waste so much time in this kind of questions. Okay, because there are some questions. Okay, where there is a magic step. Without that step, you cannot move forward. Okay. Like this problem, I don't think so. Without that x into x per k minus 1, you can solve it by any other means. I'm thinking, but I don't think so. Very difficult. Sometimes maze problems are then advanced. Helps.
From the start.
Child take. I see. Okay. Or I see. Okay. Or if there is any other method, then I'll tell you. Okay. Maybe by introducing some parameter. Okay. So anyway. So I think Ujan, you have understood this one, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
And is it clear to others? Tell me. Those are online. Have you people understood the last problem? So note. So in the above problem, in the above question, we could have also used parametric form of parabola. Parametric form of parabola. But I know many people have forgotten. Right. Over here, the parametric form will be equal to 80 square. You people know, right? 80 square comma 280. But over here, you can take it as t square comma 2t. T square comma 2t. And if you want to find out the derivative at this point, okay, what the derivative? dy will be equal to, 2y y dash will be equal to 4, right? Tell me. So instead of y, we can substitute 2t. So 2 into 2t into y dash will be equal to, y dash is minus 1 is equal to 4. So from here we will get the value of t. T will be equal to minus 1. Why minus 1? Wait, let me see.
The formula of tangent, we have given the formula of normal.
Oh, achha. Formula of normal will be 1. Slope of normal will be 1. So understood everyone? Like this also you can proceed. You will get the points.
I use this method.
Yes. Let us do another one, everyone. Question number. What is the question number 4? 6. 6? 4, I guess. Then 2 extra questions. X minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Andromeda galaxy. x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus y square equal to 25. Find out the area enclosed. Find the area enclosed. Quickly solve. Question number 5. Find the area of the region. Region in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, bounded on the left. Bounded on the left by y-axis. Below by y equal to x by 4. Above left by y equal to 1 plus root over x, and above right by y equal to 2 by root over x. Okay, should I start? Number 4, tell me. Okay, let me start number 4. Pay attention. Done? Sorry. Try it out. So, is it done? Can start. Okay, some people have sent. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Shohardo, I've got a different answer. Okay, let me start. Over here, you will realize the importance of sketching the curve. Number 4. Pay attention. So everyone, what does x square plus y square equal to 25 represents? A circle with center and the radius as 0, 0 and 5 units. Let us draw the straight line quickly, everyone. What are the straight lines? X minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. When you substitute y equal to 0, x equal to minus 5, right? And for one of them the slope is positive, another one the slope is negative. So one straight line will look somewhat like this. Tell me, are people getting yes or no? What is this straight line? Let's see. I think this straight line is the x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, right? Over here the slope is positive. Another straight line will look somewhat like this. Right, tell me. So this straight line is x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Right, tell me. Are you people getting? So what is the area bounded by these curves? This is the area we are talking about. Right, tell me everyone. This is the area we are talking about. How to find out this area? Pay attention. What we can do it, I mean we can find out, we can draw a sector in between them. Okay. Can you people understand that from these intersection points, if I join them, we'll get a sector.
Sir.
So let us say that this is O, this is A, this is B, this is C. Can I say that area is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle AOC plus area of the sector BOC? Tell me. Are you people getting? Yes or no? This is what this is the area we need to find out. Yes, tell me.
Sir, how to integrate root over of 25 minus x square from dx?
Root over 25 minus x, that is a standard form, right? Do you remember? X by 2. X by 2 sin inverse x by a plus. Right, do you remember? X by 2 root over a square minus x square minus, right? So minus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Do you remember?
Yes.
But anyways, that is not required. See, over here. What is the area of triangle AOB? We need to find out the height of the triangle. Base we know. Base of both the triangles we know. So for that we need to find out the value of B. We know that B will intersect a circle in the first quadrant.
Yes.
Okay. So let us start. So what is it? X minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people getting? X minus 3y, right? X minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? X equal to 3y minus 5. Try to understand. I am creating an equation in terms of y. Why? Because y is the height of the triangle. Okay. So create both the equation in terms of y. So when you substitute x equal to 3y minus 5, what do you get? 3y minus 5 whole square plus y square will be equal to 25. Right. So from here we are getting 9y square minus 30y plus y square is equal to 0. Right. 25. Oh no, not 25 will get cancelled. So from here what are we getting? 8y square 10y square, sorry, is equal to 0. So over here we are getting y equal to 0, 3. Right, tell me. But 0 is discarded. Okay. So y has to be 3. So the coordinates at this point means you can understand that this will be something, 3. Right. We are only concerned with the height. We don't even need to find out the value of x. We are only concerned with the height. You can find out the value of x as well, but we are only concerned with the height. Same thing we can do for x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. And we know that in this case, y will be negative. Right, it is below the x-axis. So put x equal to minus 2y minus 5. Right, everyone, tell me. This implies minus 2y minus 5 whole square. Plus y square is equal to 25. Right. Again 25 will get cancelled. What are you getting? 4y square plus 20y plus y square is equal to 0. So over here, what is the value of phi? Tell me.
So minus 5 and 0.
Minus 5 and 0. But which one should we should take? Minus 5. Correct. Now the problem is done only. Right, tell me. Oh, but the thing is, we need to find out the central angle also for the sector. Right. So we have to find out the value of x. Are you getting central angle that we need? Or what we can do it? Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Right, tell me. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So let us find out the angle at the circumference. So 10, yes, tell me. Minus 4. Oh, 4. Correct. So let us find out angle BAC. Okay, what is the slope of x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0? Tell me. Quickly. 1 by 3. And what is the slope of x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0? Minus half. Therefore, tan of angle BAC will be equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 minus into minus half. Right, tell me. What is this giving us? Quickly tell me, everyone. 1 by 3 plus half is equal to 5 by 6. And diameter also 5 by 6. Just check. 5 by 6. So 1. Angle at the circumference is equal to 5 by 4. What is the angle at the center? Quarter circle, right? Tell me, those are online. Are you people getting? No, problem is done only. Therefore, final area. What happened? Surprise about what? Sometimes only integration does not help. Okay, integration would have been very tedious, right?
Sir, we have to integrate over 25 minus x squared from 4 to 5.
Half into base into height.
So that is just one branch. We have to integrate 4 branches.
Half into 3 into 5 plus half into 4 into 5 plus area of the sector. Area of the sector will be, tell me, angle at the center we got pi by 2, right? Means quarter circle. Quarter circle, 1/4 of pi r square. Pi r square by 4. So pi into 5 square by 4. Tell me, this will give us how much? 15 by 2 plus 10 plus 25 pi by 4. Yes, I think this is the correct answer. Let me see. 4 numerator will be 70 plus 25 pi by 4. Yes, this is the correct answer.
Somehow the angle is good. Something like bad angle.
Actually, look at the options. If the options are bad, that means the angle is also going to come as bad. Okay, then I would suggest move on to some other question. Okay, don't. Understood? No, it is x by 2 sin inverse, x by 2 root over x square minus x square minus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, something like that. You have to check. Okay. Tell me, those are online. Did you people understand? Tell me. Tell me, Shrita, Samragni, Shubhangi, Shubhankit,
Yes.
Shahadra, Telika, you people understood? Adrija, did you understand the previous one? Adrija,
Yes.
Adrija. Ujan, did you understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
when we are adding this, aren't we adding some extra triangles?
Which extra triangles we have added? Tell me.
Sir, BO and then but the perpendicular is meeting at the.
This one?
Then we are adding this triangle and then adding this whole segment.
আমি এইটা বেস নিয়েছি কি এইটা বেস নিয়েছি বলুন। Is it clear, Shashwat?
Yes, sir.
I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
So should I start? Second one, let us start. Okay, find the area of the region in the first
Can you
one.
wait a bit? I just now copied the question.
Okay, solve.
Sir, I have sent. Can you check?
Wait. Yes, Satija, right answer. I think by Sunday we'll complete next week. Area. Huh? Area under curve. Combined. This time combined.
Sir, next week.
This one you don't have. Integration you have. Last year I didn't do test on integration. I didn't do it. How do you have? I have sent. No, I have, mains will be normal. Like AOD mains was easy only. Right. Similar mains, advanced mains. After that, I'll stop taking tests. Okay, I start taking AITS. Okay. Huh? Yes. I'll see the dates. Okay, I'll announce the dates beforehand only. Physics, chemistry will also be included. I'll give the syllabus also.
Sir, the weeks which you were taking exam of dates, we all have more, half a week and second one, 28.
You give it before that. I give it after.
The schedule of the test is regularly with Mr. Me. During emergency pushback.
Let me start. Okay, everyone, let's start. Acha, I think Ujan is solving. So, are the right answer?
Sir, you can start.
Okay, let me start, everyone. Pay attention. Sketching the curve. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant pointed on the left. On the left, it is bounded by y-axis. Below it is bounded by y equal to x by 4. So let us draw the graph. Graph is very important, everyone. If you are not drawing the graph, it will be difficult to solve the questions. So y equal to x by 4 will be somewhat like this. Y equal to x by 4. Next, what else we have? Y equal to 1 plus root over x. Try to understand. We know the graph of y equal to root over x. But now it is starting from, what is the vertex? 0, 1. 0, 1, right? When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. It's starting from 0, 1. So can you understand that the graph of y equal to 1 plus root over x will look somewhat like this? Tell me. Those who are online, how are people getting? Okay, this is the graph of y equal to 1 plus root over x. Right, tell me. Next, what else we have? And y equal to 2 by root over x. 2 by root over x.
Y equals to 4 by.
So y equal to 2 by root over x. Let us see how we can plot.
So we only take the positive of y square equals to 4 by.
Y square is equal to 4 by x. Right. Y is equal to y square. It will be hyperbolic in nature.
Yes.
Right. And only the positive branch we have to take. Okay. So if you want to draw this graph, it will be somewhat like this. Right. Remember, like, this is the graph of x equal to 1 by y. Y equal to 1 by x. Right. So the graph will look somewhat like this. Understood? So x equal to 4y y square will also look somewhat like this, but in the first quadrant. Okay. So this is the graph will look. This is the graph. This is how it is going to look like. Tell me. Are you people getting? You can understand it from here that as x is tending to 0 from the right hand side, y is tending to infinity, and as y is tending to 0, x is tending to infinity. Right. So it will be hyperbolic. Okay. But this will not be exactly. This will not be exact rectangular hyperbola. Okay. Because we have x equal to 4y y square. And this is the region we are talking about, everyone. So tell me, should I start with left or the right? I mean, horizontal strip or the vertical strip? I can do it with both. Tell me. Let us first of all find out the points. See how to decide whether you have to do it with horizontal or vertical. Wherever you have to take the less number of functions. Okay. Let us find out the coordinates of this point. This is the intersection between 1 plus root over x and hyperbolic graph. That means 4 by root over x. So from here, what is the value of x? Tell me. X equal to 2. X equal to 1. No. X equal to 1. No. What was it? 2 by root over x, right? 2 by root. So I think x equal to 1 will satisfy. So this point is x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Tell me. Next. This is the intersection between y equal to x by 4 and that hyperbolic graph. So x by 4 is equal to 2 by root over x. So from here I am getting x equal to 2. X equal to 2, so y equal to?
Why are you trying to find this?
Intersection between y. Why not? Integrate. Hyperbolic curve is 2 by root over x only. Right, 2 by root over x is equal to x by 4. Achha, no, x is, how can x be 2? From here, x root over x is equal to 8. So what is the value of x? Tell me. I guess 4 or 2. 4. So the coordinates of this point is x equal to 4, y equal to 1. Achha. Let me see. If I take the vertical strip, I have to take from 0 to 1, upper minus lower, that is one integral, and from 1 to 4, upper minus lower. It will be easier only, right? So therefore area is equal to integral from 0 to 1. Upper curve is 1 plus root over x. Lower curve is minus x by 4. Plus integral from 1 to 4. Upper curve is 2 by root over x minus x by 4. This will give us our answer. Right, Rishabh, are you getting? X plus x power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1, that means 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2, minus x square by 8, we need to substitute from 0 to 1, plus 2 by root over x means x to the power minus half, x. So 2 into x to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. So I'm getting 2 into 2 by root over x. Just check. Right. X bar minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 will be half. So
x will be above.
X will be above, right? As half plus 1 root over x. So 2 root over x, tell me everyone. Right, 2 root over x. Minus x square by 2 into 4, 8. We need to substitute from 1 to 4. Tell me. Let us substitute. When you substitute 1, what are we getting? 1 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 8. For 0, it will be 0. Plus, over here, when you substitute 4, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Minus half. Sorry. Minus 2. When you substitute 1. Plus 4. Minus 1 by 8. Done. So what are we getting? Let us take the integer value. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 2, 11. And 2 by 3. 2 by 3. And over here minus 1 by 4. Or what? Is it plus 1 by 8?
Minus 4 and plus 1 by 8. Because there is a minus.
Oh, yes. Correct. Minus 4 plus 1 by 8. So plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 gets cancelled. Sorry. Everyone. 8 minus 6 will give us how much? 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 by 3. Yes, correct. This will be 11 by 3. Yes. Minus plus. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Those who are online, is it clear? Tell me, Shrita, is it clear? Shrita, Adrija, Adrito, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Ronak, Samragni, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shinika, Trina, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pujan, have you understood?
Yes.
Standard. See everyone, if you remember the standard area, your life would be easier. Okay, some standard area to remember. Okay, if you can remember this, actually, if you practice enough problems, it will be there in your head. Standard areas to remember. Number 1, y square equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by. If you want to find out the area between them for a greater than 0 and b greater than 0, then area will be equal to 16ab by 3. Okay, everyone? Number 2.
This was in properties of parabola.
Properties of parabola? No, over there in properties of parabola, you are mixing up with ellipse, I guess. Area of an ellipse.
That is pi AB.
Pi AB. Parabola, what? I couldn't read.
I guess I saw this.
I must have seen it somewhere. Y square equal to 4ax and y equal to mx. Then area is equal to 8a square by m cube. Let us start number 1. So I am proving only part 1. Part 2, I think you people can prove it. Or should I prove part 2 as well? Tell me. Part 2 you people can prove it. Which constant? Y equal to mx plus c. Wait, I am telling you. Over here, I am taking y square equal to 4ax and a straight line passing through the origin, because the vertex of the parabola is at origin. Are you getting? So that is why in the standard form, this is the area you are going to get. Clear? So let us start. Everyone, you can start. So y square equal to 4ax will be this one. And x square is equal to 4by is this one. Okay, I need to find out this area. So of course we need the intersection point, right? In the first quadrant. Both a and b are greater than 0. I need this intersection point. Let us call this as alpha. Okay? Let us call this intersection point as alpha. So everyone, what is the area? Area will be equal to integral from 0 to alpha. Y square is equal to 4ax. Upper curve is 4ax. So that means root over 4ax minus x square is equal to 4by. So y is equal to x square by 4b. So minus x square by 4b. Tell me. Did you people understand? Yes or no? If there is anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. After this, let us start integrating. Okay. Integral of root over 4ax. Root over 4a into root over x. So this will become 2a into x bar half. So x bar 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus x square means x cube by 3 into 4, 12b. Right, tell me everyone. Are people getting? 2 root a. Oh, yes, 2 root a. Correct. Tell me. Minus x cube by 12b. Correct? We need to substitute from 0 to alpha. Right, tell me. After this, we have to do some simplification. Okay. What? 0 we need to find out the value of alpha. Remember, y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a alpha. Let's see. 2 root over a into alpha to the power 3 by 2. Achha, this will be 4 by 3, okay? 4 by 3 into alpha into 4 by 3 into root over a into alpha to the power 3 by 2 minus alpha cube by 12b. Okay, everyone, tell me. But one of them is alpha to the power 3 by 2, another one is alpha cube by 12b. I have to do some manipulation. Okay.
Sir, that is alpha to the power 3 by 2 into alpha to the power half.
To alpha to the power half. Wait a minute. First term. Root over 4a into
Sir, no, last.
Which one?
Sir, root alpha into alpha to the power 3 by 2.
Root alpha will also be there.
Oh, that is root a.
Root a. Okay. It's a y square is equal to 4ax, right? And y square is equal to 4a alpha. Right, tell me. And x square is equal to, alpha square is equal to 4b y. Right, tell me. Are people getting? So I can write y is equal to x alpha square by 4b, right? But where will I substitute? Huh?
Divide both the equations.
Divide both the equations. Wait. Let me also think. Wait. Y square is equal to 4ax, right? Tell me. And x square is equal to 4by. So from here, x is equal to y square by 4a. Let us substitute x over here. This implies y square by 4a whole square is equal to 4by. Right. So from here, what are we getting? Y to the power 4a. What is the power 4 by 16a square is equal to 4by. So I am getting the value of y to the power. Achha, 1y and 1y will get cancelled. So I am getting y cube is equal to 64a square b. Right, tell me. Y square is equal, y is equal to 64a square b. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 4a square b whole to the power 3 by 2, right? Tell me. No, why 3 by 2? 1 by 3, right? Y is equal to 4a square by 3 by 2. X would have been easier.
It becomes 4 into root over 3 cube root of a b square.
Let me think. Just let me think.
We divide x square 4 by y square by 4 x.
Let us eliminate y. I am going to find out. Alpha is the intersection point, right?
Yes. Then x is there.
Wait. Alpha is the intersection point. So let us find out alpha only. Wait. So y square is equal to 4a alpha and alpha square is equal to 4by. So from here, what is alpha cube? Alpha cube is equal to 64 b square y square, right? No, no. No. Okay, there should be some better method of finding this. Wait. Y is equal to alpha square by 4b. So what is y square? Y square is equal to alpha to the power 4 by 16b square. Right, tell me. Okay. And what is y square? Y square is equal to 4a alpha. 4a alpha is equal to alpha to the power 4 by 16b square. Right, tell me. So I think this from here alpha and one alpha gets cancelled. I'll get alpha cube is equal to 4 into 16, 64 AB square. Right, tell me. Now it's fine. I got alpha cube. So I'll get alpha as well. Okay, now let us substitute everyone. Okay. So what are we getting from here? 4 by 3 into root over a alpha into 8 into root over a into b. Right, tell me everyone. Minus alpha cube will be equal to 64ab square by 12b. Tell me, are people getting? Let us simplify. So 4 8s are 32, 32 by 3 ab minus b and b gets cancelled. 64 by 12 will give us 4 times 16 times 3. So I'm getting 16 ab by 3. Oh, we are getting it, right? 16 ab by 3. Tell me, did you people understand the proof? Tell me. In the similar way, you can prove the first one as well. Actually, I was focusing on finding y, where I have to find out x. Okay. Anyways. So let us continue. Let us do some problems. What happened? I want to go somewhere. Where? Oh. Where? Close right. Her or his? His one. Oh. Where? You're not going. How can it is his friend's birthday and not yours? Chat group friend. Question number. What is the question number? 7. What is it? 10. No. X equal to root over y and y equal to root over x. This is a proof. Find the area. Solve everyone. Question number 8. Done. Is correct. He's not throwing. Correct. He's just using the formula and you are not using the formula. Done, everyone? Must have done it. Yes, just now I did. Where are you, Shashwado?
They are the standard area.
How is this not standard?
Are you roaming around with a certain person?
No,
right.
No, sir.
The suspicious things, why not here? Why not?
Yes, Ujan has given the correct answer. What about others? This one is easy only. Both are parabolas. Y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. Solve, done? 1.
16 AB by 16 AB by.
Yes, sure, the right answer. After that, pray to God. Okay.
You again do it.
Where is he?
He's lost. Sir, he gave us status yesterday. Whole organic chemistry complete.
Who does this?
That's fine. That's fine. All formulas written on the board. There was a mobile in front where answers are given. A tab is given. A laptop is given.
Yes, Madhurjo, right answer. Thank God he completed only organic chemistry. What if he completes the whole syllabus? It will be in Times of India. Yes, yes. Mr. has completed his whole JEE syllabus. With due respect, Suvendeva Adhikari is going to honor him for completing his JEE syllabus. Puskas Award. He'll get Ballon d'Or. Adito, right answer. Shinika, right answer. Getting Ballon d'Or for JEE syllabus. It's correct. Okay. X equal to root over y and y equal to root over x. So everyone, it's like done. If you are done. X square is equal to y and hello Trina, are you there? And y
Yes,
square
sir.
equal to x. So tell me what is the value of a over here? Compare and tell me. Compare the parabolas and tell me what is the value of a and what is the value of b. Hello Trina, tell me. X square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4ax. These are standard parabolas. 4b1, 4ax and x square is equal to 4b1. Tell me what are the values of a and b? Tell me Trina.
Yes, sir. One second. Sir, is it 1/4?
1/4 and 1/4, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So therefore area is equal to 16 into 1/4 into 1/4 divided by 3. Done. 1/3. Okay?
Sir. Sir, totally workaholic, sir.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, but let us say you people have forgotten method 2. Let us say you people have forgotten this 16ab by 3. Then what is the intersection point? 1, 1, right? So it will be integral from 0 to 1, upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is root over x, lower curve is root over y. Wait a minute. Y is equal to
Sir,
root over x.
BD minus AC. This is purely BD minus AC.
And that also we can do minus 6. Okay. So why? But we have to find out the area between them. Not we have to add thing. We have to find out area between them. So y equal to root over x will be the upper curve. X equal to root over y.
Right? Over x and plus root to 1 minus over y root to 1 like that, and then we can change to anyways.
Okay, minus x square. Yes, what happened? Where is the birthday party, Rishabh? Restaurant, in a restaurant or his house?
Sir, what I was telling is can't be writing like root to 1 over x minus root to 1 x square by k 1 to be root to
Area enclosed by parabola and any of its area enclosed by parabola and any of its double ordinate. You people remember the meaning of double ordinate? X equal to alpha is 2 by 3 into area of rectangle. Huh? Area? Double ordinate is a perpendicular chord is a chord perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Right? You must have, were you there in parabola? Forgot. Many people have forgotten, not only you. Okay. Actually, I think at least you people remember latus rectum, because generally the questions have come with latus rectum only. Okay, not with the, but generally it has come. Okay, latus rectum, everyone remembers. So we can tell me what is latus rectum? Huh? What 4a by b? What is a latus rectum? I need the definition, nothing else. Point
Is the line that
you have forgotten this one as well.
its length is 4, I know that.
And let us see the proof. Length is 4a, you are correct. And for y square equal to 4x, length is 4a. Achha, the coordinates of this point is alpha comma root over 4 alpha, right? Tell me everyone. And what is the coordinates of this point? Minus alpha comma minus root over 4. Minus root over 4 alpha. I'll tell you which rectangle. Not half, 2 by 3. This is the rectangle we are talking about. Are you getting? Ritam, tell me. So see, there is a rectangle so formed. What is the area of this rectangle? Alpha into root over 4a alpha, right? 2 into root over 4a alpha. But you remember it like this, 2 by 3 into area of rectangle, because alpha into root over 4a alpha will be hard to remember. So pay attention. So it will be integral, pay attention. This area will be twice the integral, means whatever area you are finding the above x-axis, same area you are going to find out the area below. Area will be equal to 2 into area from 0 to alpha root over 4a alpha. Right, tell me. You will get the result. This will give us how much? 2 into root over a. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into root over a into 4x. 4x, sorry, 4x. How what? X by 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. What? Tell me.
So the line is parallel to the x-axis for y square over x over 4x.
Yes.
So parallel to x-axis and is a distance parallel from the origin.
Distance from the origin?
I mean
Passing through the origin.
Crossing the origin.
4a into alpha root over alpha into 2 by 3 minus 0. So am I getting the result? Oh no, this should be 2. So see, are we getting? Tell me. 2 by 3 into alpha into 2 root over. Oh, there's a 2 outside, so it will be 4. Wait a minute, why am
You already multiplied 2 to so you already multiplied 2 with 4. 2 with 2. So you already got
Wait. I'm doing it once again. So it will be 2 into 2 root over a into x to the power 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3. We have to substitute from 0 to alpha. Right, tell me. Now it's fine. Okay, what am I getting? So I need to convert it into that form. So 2 by 3 into 2 root over 2. Sorry, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into root over a into, when you substitute alpha, it will be alpha to the power 3 by 2. So alpha into root over alpha. Right, tell me, are you people getting? Okay, should come as area of rectangle. Let's see. 2 by 3 into alpha into Are we getting alpha into 2 root over 4a alpha? Just check. Okay. See 2 by 3 into area of rectangle. Those who are online, are you people getting? Next. You people remember area of ellipse? Everyone. Area of a standard
Sir.
ellipse? Yes, tell me.
Sir, up to when is this class going to continue?
Oh yes, wait, I didn't see.
No, sir, actually I'm having exam from tomorrow. School exam.
X square by a square plus y square by b square. Last part. Okay, means give me 2-3 minutes. Is pi ab. So how many of you have exams tomorrow? Raise your hand. You people don't have exams. English exam. Oh, many people have exams. Hey, but only 1% told me. So many people have exams. Oh, then this is the last part. Okay. Rest.
Sir, algebra also having exam. That's why I didn't attend.
He also has exams. Hey, pi ab, you people can prove it by yourself. Tell me. Proof. In order to prove it, what you do?
Sir, you already
I proved it in ellipse. Right? Do you remember? In the chapter ellipse, I had proved it. It will be equal to. Do you remember? This is an ellipse. We have to integrate from where to where? Tell me. This is origin. And no, I just find out this area multiply by 4. So integral from 0 to what is the upper one? Tell me. Upper limit. What is this? A comma 0, right? Tell me. 0 to a, right? And what is y? Y is equal to root over 1 minus x square by a square. Tell me dot dx. Rest of people can do it, right? If you integrate, you will get the result. Into multiply by 4. And this into b square. The whole thing will be multiplied by b. Yes. So rest of people can solve it. Tell me. Note it down. Last part I am going to discuss. Okay. Achha, if you shift the origin, will the area change?
No, sir.
No. Area does not changes. Area does not changes after shifting. After shifting the origin or rotation of axis. Okay. Based on this, I'll give the questions as homework. Okay. So I think we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. All the best. Those who have exams tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Good night.